Expand 1 plus x power of 1 over 2 in ascending power of x until and including the term of x power of 3. Hence, find the value of square root 1.08 to the 4 decimal place. First, we do the expansion for this binomial. So notice here we have n equals to 1 over 2. So we use formula type 2. Where formula type 2, it has to be start with 1. So the star here will be equals to x. So here we go, our formula 1 and then n times star plus n minus 1 over 2 factorial star square, continue, n minus 1, n minus 2, and then 3 factorial, and then star power of 3. Then we can stop and then put dot 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 to represent the rest of it. So this is the term including x to the power of 3. Now we simplify this. So here we are, our binomial expansion. Then we want to find the value of x, so we can substitute here to get 1.08. So before we identify the value of x, we have to do the validity. Why we need to do the validity? Because the question not given us x value. So the x value that we use later, it have to be valid. So the validity for this expansion, it will be modulus of x less than 1. So solve this modulus, it will be open the modulus. So our x value that can be acceptable for this expansion, it will be within value -1 and 1. So now we start compare. We compare that 1 plus x power of 2, it will be equals to square root of 1.08. So once we rewrite here, square root of 1 plus x, square root of 1.08, we compare, so 1 plus x is 1.08, so x will be equals to 0.08. So notice that this x value is valid. So with the valid x value, now we're going to substitute this x value into our expansion left hand side and right hand side. So once we substitute this left hand side, it will be 1 plus 0.08 power of 1 over 2. And then for this right hand side, so for this left hand side, we have to simplify until we get the pattern from the question. So this is the pattern where power of 1 over 2 is square root, 1 plus 0.08 is 1.08. And then for this right hand side, we have to simplify it to 4 decimal place. So press your calculator and round it off to 4 decimal place. So rounding off to 4 decimal place. So this is how we use expansion to find out our square root of 1.08.